Hello and welcome everyone to our digital class. My name is Jeevan Gamali, mathematics facilitator of Vishwa boarding school. I hope you watched my last video and liked it. Today I am presented here to discuss on the new topics. So our today's lesson is line and angle, but today we will learn about the different types of angle than in the previous video. Today we will learn about the angles formed when two parallel lines is intersected by a transversal. When two parallel lines intersected by a transversal, as in the figure, there are two parallel lines. A, B is one line, and similarly C, D is another line. These two lines are parallel to each other. This is the symbol of parallelism. This is the symbol which represent for the parallelism. AB and CD are the two lines. And again PQ is the line, vertical line which intersect the lines AB and CD at the point D and E. At the point D and E, this PQ line is known as the transversal. AB line and CD lines are parallel to each other. They are known as the parallel lines. And similarly, PQ lines is known as the transversal. When these parallel lines is intersected by a transversal PQ, at the point D and E, how many angles are formed there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So when two parallel lines is intersected by a transversal, altogether 8 angles are formed. Some angles are formed on the outside of these parallel lines, like 1, 2, 7, 8 are outside of these two parallel lines, and some angles are formed like 3, 4, 5 and 6 are formed inside the parallel lines, AV and CD. So you can see here exterior angles. There are some types of angles: exterior angles, interior angles, alternate angles, co-interior angle and the corresponding angles. Exterior angle, you are very much clear seeing this figure. Exterior angle means those angles which are formed outside of the parallel lines. Parallel line भन्दा बाहिरपट्टि फर्म भएको एंगल्सहरु चाहिँ यो एक्सटेरियर नामबाटै बाहिर एक्सटेरियर भनेको बाहिरपट्टि भनेको एक्सटेरियर एंगल्सहरु जस्तो एंगल नम्बर 1, एंगल नम्बर 2, 1, 2 and angle number 7 and angle number 8. These 4 angles are formed on the outer side of these two parallel lines. That's why those angles are known as the exterior angle. Similarly, interior angle, exterior angle को definition बारे clear भइसक्यो. Interior angles भनेको those angles which are formed inside the parallel lines. Parallel line भित्रपट्टि फर्म भएको एंगल्सहरुलाई चाहिँ के भनिन्छ? Interior angle. Like 3, 4, 5 and 6. These 4 angles are formed inside the parallel lines. So those angles are known as the interior angles. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now let us go to the alternate angle. Which angles are called the alternate angles? Alternate angles are those non-adjacent angle. I have talked about the adjacent angle, non-adjacent angle in the previous video. Those non-adjacent interior angle, non-adjacent interior angles formed inside these parallel lines, like 3 and 5. 3 and 5. These are the interior non-adjacent interior angle. Non-adjacent. 3 and 4 are adjacent angle. They are not alternate. 3 and 4 are adjacent. Why they are adjacent? Because they have the same vertex and common arm. That's why they are adjacent. About the adjacent angle I have talked in the previous video. And 4 and 6, they are also non-adjacent but interior angle. So they are known as the alternate angle. 3 angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate angles, like 3 and 5, these angles, and 4 and 6, these are also non-adjacent angle, 4 and 6. 4 and 6. These are the alternate angle, and you can measure using the protractor. These alternate angles are always equal. Alternate angles are always equal. We can verify this experimentally also. So alternate angle is non-adjacent interior angle formed when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Similarly, what is the co-interior angle? Let us talk about the co-interior angle. Co-interior angles are the interior angle formed on the same side of the transversal. Transversal को same side में form भएको angles interior angles हरुलाई हामी के भन्छौं? Co-interior. जस्तो transversal को same side भनेको this is the transversal. PQ is the transversal. So same side means either right side or left side. Like, or I have told you interior angle. 4 and 5 are on the same side and they are the interior angle. Parallel line को भित्रपट्टि भएको angles हरु 4 or 5, they are the interior angle and on the same right side of this transversal. So co-interior angles are 4 and 5. Only 4 and 5? 3 and 6 also, because this angle 3 and angle 6 they are also interior angles and is on the same side, that is left side of this transversal. So 3 and 6 are also co-interior angle, and you should know the relation of co-interior angles. The relation of co-interior angle is sum of co-interior angle is always 180 degree. That is angle number 4 plus angle number 5, their relation will be equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, angle number 3 and angle number 6, their sum will be equal to 180 degree. Similarly, alternate angles are equal. Angle number 3, the measurement of angle 3 and angle 5, similarly 4 and 6 are equal to each other. Now let us talk about the corresponding angles. What is corresponding angles? Corresponding angles means angles which are formed on the same side of the transversal. Transversal को same side में form भएको two angles. Out of them, one is interior angle and the another is exterior angle. दुईटा angle मध्ये एउटा angle चाहिँ interior हुनु पर्यो and the next angle should be exterior angle. यहाँ यसमा हामीसँग interior angles हरु 3, 4, 5, 6 हो भने exterior angle 1, 2, 8 and 7. तर के हो definition के भयो? एउटै साइड मा हुनु पर्यो, एउटा interior हुनु पर्यो, एउटा चाहिँ exterior हुनु पर्यो. So 1 is exterior angle and 5 is interior angle are on the same right side of the transversal. So 1 and 5 are known as corresponding angle. 1 and angle 1 and angle 5. Why these are corresponding angle? Because they are on the same side of the transversal, and one is the exterior angle and another is the interior angle. Only this 1 and 5. There are others also. 2 is exterior, 6 is interior, angle 2 and angle 6. Only this, there are more. 3 and 7, 3 is interior, 7 is exterior. 3 and angle 7. Similarly, 4 is interior and 8 is exterior. On the same side, angle 4 and angle 8. These are the corresponding angles. Definition of corresponding angle is two angles formed on the same side of the transversal. One of them is exterior angle and another being interior angle. Okay, now let us understand this definition, application of above definition in solving problems. How can we apply this on solving the problems? Here, first example, we have to find out the value of a and x. First example, you can see there are two parallel lines. As in this figure, your figure must say there are two parallel lines. We can give name also. A, B, C, D. C, D are parallel lines and PQ is a transversal. PQ is a transversal. All together there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 angles are formed. So you can see here alternate angle, co-interior angle and corresponding angle. Here angle 2a degree and 2a degree, this is the exterior angle, and 3a minus 10 degree is interior angle on the same side. One is exterior, one is interior. What are those angles? Corresponding angles, because on the same side one is exterior, another is interior angle. So these are the corresponding angles, and I have told you corresponding angles are always equal. So 2a is equal to 3a minus 10 degree. 3a minus 10 degree. What is the reason? Reason is being corresponding angle, because they are corresponding angle, and corresponding angles are always equal. Corresponding angles. Okay, now we can solve the equations. 2a minus 3a is equal to minus 10. 2a minus 3a is minus a is equal to minus 10 degree. So minus and minus are cancelled out, and a is equal to 10 degree. So the value of a is 10 degree. Again, we have got the value of a now. Now we have to find out the value of x. You can see x and 2a are the vertically opposite angle. We talked in the last video about the vertically opposite angle. X and 2a are the vertically opposite angle again, and vertically opposite angles are also equal. X is equal to 2a degree. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angle, being vertically opposite angle. So x is equal to 2 times, what is the value of a? A is 10. That is, x is equal to 20 degree. This is how we solve the problems. Okay, now let us see another example. Example number 2. I can solve example number 2. See there are two parallel lines AB and CD, two lines P, two transversal PO and RO intersect the parallel lines at T and S. So to solve this kind of equations, let us draw an imaginary line through the point O and parallel to the given parallel lines. From here we can draw parallel lines. Imaginary line. We can draw imaginary line from through O and being parallel to the given parallel lines. This is x, whole angle is x. Now this whole angle x is divided into the two parts, this upper part and lower part, and let us consider upper part as the another angle A and this lower part as the another angle B. Now here on this part, let us not see this below parts. In this part, A and 30 degree are the corresponding angles. Like in this example, A and 30 degree are the corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are equal. 30 degree being corresponding angle. Corresponding angles, and similarly B is equal to 45 degree. This is also corresponding angle, being corresponding angle, reason being same. Now finally we know that the whole angle is x, and this imaginary line had divided this x into the angles A and B. So we must have x is equal to A plus B. A र B लाई प्लस गर्यो भने हामीले के पाउँछौं? यो पुरो एंगल x पाउँछौं. So x is equal to A and B. This is whole part axiom. Now we have the value of A and B, that is 30 degree plus value of B is 45 degree. So x is equal to 30 plus 45, 75 degree. Okay students, this was for today. Mathematics, the more you practice, the more you become perfect. For that I have given some home assignment on your Facebook group. I have posted there. I'll be back again next week with the new video. Till then, I'm signing off. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning the new things. Thank you so much.